Emma, please, don't do this. Don't leave me.
Alex, I've thought about this a lot. I just can't do it anymore. I'm sorry, but this is for the best.
For the best? How can this be for the best? You're leaving me over something so small, something we can work through. Please, Emma, we've been through so much together. Don't throw it all away.
Alex, it's not just about this one thing. It's the way it makes me feel. It's like you don't understand me, like you don't see me. Really see me.
But I do see you, Emma. I love you more than anything. I can't imagine my life without you. You're my everything. Just tell me what I need to do, and I'll do it. Please, don't leave me.
It's not that simple. It's not just about what you can do or change. It's about how I feel, how I felt for a long time. I don't think we're right for each other anymore.
Not right for each other? How can you say that after everything we've been through? We've had our ups and downs, but we always found a way to make it work. Why is this any different?
Because this time it's not about a specific problem we can fix. It's about how I've been feeling inside. I've tried to ignore it, to push it aside, but it keeps coming back. I don't feel connected to you like I used to.
Emma, please, don't say that. We can rebuild that connection. We just need to talk, to work through this together. I can't lose you, I can't.
Alex, I don't want to hurt you, but I need to be honest with myself. This isn't about you not being good enough or me wanting something else. It's about me needing space to figure out who I am, what I want. I've been feeling lost, and I need to find myself again.
But why does finding yourself mean losing us? We can find ourselves together. We've always been stronger together, haven't we? We can fix this, Emma. We can.
Alex, I've thought about that too. But every time I try to convince myself that we can fix this, that we can find our way back to each other, I just feel more and more disconnected. It's like we're drifting apart, and I don't know how to stop it.
Then let's hold on tighter. Let's fight for what we have, for what we've built. I can't just let you go, Emma. I won't. You're everything to me. Without you, I don't know who I am.
Alex, you have to find out who you are too. We've been so wrapped up in each other that we've lost sight of ourselves. Maybe this time apart will help us both see things more clearly.
I don't need time apart to know that I love you, that I need you in my life. Please, Emma, don't leave. We can work through this together. You're my world, you're my life.
And you're mine, Alex. But sometimes love isn't enough to make things right. I wish it were, I really do. But I can't keep ignoring these feelings, pretending everything is okay when it's not.
But it can be okay, Emma. We can make it okay. Just give us another chance, please. We can go to counseling, we can talk more, spend more time together, anything. Just please, don't leave me.
I'm so sorry, Alex. I never wanted to hurt you like this. But I have to do what feels right for me, even if it's the hardest thing I've ever done.
How can leaving be the right thing? We've been through so much together, Emma. We shared so many memories, so many dreams. You can't just walk away from all of that. We can still be happy. I know we can.
I wish I could believe that, Alex. I really do. But deep down, I know that staying together right now wouldn't be fair to either of us. We just keep hurting each other more and more.
But I'd rather hurt with you than be without you. I can't imagine my life without you, Emma. You're my everything, my whole world.
And you're mine, Alex. But sometimes loving someone means letting them go, even if it breaks your heart.
But I don't want to let you go. I can't. I can't live without you.
I know this is hard, Alex. It's hard for me too. But I need to do this. I need to find myself again to figure out who I am outside of us.
But who am I without you, Emma? You're my everything, my other half.
You're strong, Alex. You'll find your way. You'll find your strength. And maybe one day we'll find our way back to each other.
Please, don't go.
Alex, before I go, can we just talk a little more? I need you to understand why I'm doing this.
What more is there to say, Emma? You're leaving me. You're tearing my heart out. How am I supposed to understand that?
I know it feels like that right now, but I don't want you to hate me. I don't want you to think that I'm leaving because I don't care or because I don't love you. It's because I do love you that I need to do this.
How can leaving me be an act of love? We're supposed to be together, to face everything together. Isn't that what love is about?
Love is about many things, Alex. It's about being there for each other, supporting each other. But it's also about knowing when you need to step back, to give each other space to grow. I've felt lost for a while now, and I don't know how to find myself while we're together.
But why can't we find ourselves together? We've always been stronger as a team, Emma. I don't see how breaking up will help us find anything except more pain.
I've been asking myself that too. I've tried so hard to hold on to keep things the way they were. But every time I look in the mirror, I see someone I don't recognize anymore. I've lost myself in this relationship, Alex. And I'm scared that if I don't take this step now, I'll never find myself again.
Is this my fault? Did I do something to make you feel this way? Did I push you away without realizing it?
No, Alex, this isn't your fault. You've been nothing but loving and supportive. But maybe that's part of the problem. I've relied on you so much that I've forgotten how to stand on my own. I need to learn who I am without leaning on you for everything.
But we've always been there for each other, Emma. That's what love is, isn't it? Being there when the other person needs you? I don't understand how being apart will help you find yourself. We've always faced our challenges together.
I know, Alex. And that's why this is so hard. But sometimes being too close can be suffocating. I've been feeling trapped, not by you, but by the expectations I've placed on myself in this relationship. I need to breathe to figure out who I am outside of us.
But what about our future? All the plans we made, the dreams we talked about? Are you just going to walk away from all of that?
Those dreams, those plans, they were beautiful, Alex. But right now they feel more like a burden than a joy. I don't know how to explain it, but every time I think about our future, I feel this overwhelming pressure to be someone I'm not sure I am anymore.
I understand, Emma. But if there's even a small chance that we can work this out, that we can find our way back to each other, then I want to take it. I can't just give up on us without trying everything.
I don't want to give up either, Alex. I just need time to figure out what I want, who I am. Maybe we can take some time apart and then come back together to see where we stand.
Okay, Emma. If that's what you need, then I'll give it to you. I'll wait for you. Just promise me that we'll talk again, that we'll see where we are after some time.
I promise, Alex. We'll talk again. We'll see where we are and what the future holds. But for now, I need to go.
I'll wait for you, Emma. No matter how long it takes, I'll wait.
I know you will, Alex. And I hope that when we do talk again, we'll both have a clearer picture of what we want and what's best for us.
I hope so too, Emma. I really do.
Goodbye for now, Alex. Take care of yourself, okay?
Goodbye, Emma. I'll miss you every single day.
I'll miss you too, Alex. More than you know.